Hello, it is Polo Logo. Welcome to Asal Digitals. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove the background of my image within 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's begin. I'll just come here under here, quick selection, then I right click, then it will give me these options here. But when I right click, it will give me this aspect here on top. I'll make sure I've clicked this one, I've checked this one, tick, sample layers, and auto enhance, all of them are selected. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll come here, right click again, then choose this object selection tool, then I'll just come and drag it over the image I want to select, which I want to remove the background, which is me here. Then I'll give it a few seconds, then it will just sample out. Perfect. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to come here, select and mask. Then after that, I'll just make sure this one is ticked, the contaminated colors is ticked, then I'll just come again and choose OK. Boom, that's how the background of my image has been removed. What about if I want to change the background, maybe put a different color, maybe yellow, red, whatever. I'll just come here under the rectangle tool, then I'll just click it, then I'll make sure choose a color, maybe red, maybe come here, choose red under the swatches, then I'll just drag it above my image like that. Then don't worry if you see it's blocked. No, it's not blocked. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll come under the layers here and just drag it below my picture. There I am, the background is changed. If I want to make it yellow, I'll just click here, I'll come here under the swatches, maybe make it black, if I want to make it white, if I want to make it purple, if I want to make it yellow, I don't know what this is, yellow or orange, whatever. You can change as many colors as possible. Guys, watch my next video. Have a nice day, have a nice time. Peace.